Hey guys, it's Shane from English Understood here. If you listen to native speakers, you will hear that most of the time they use contractions. What is a contraction? Well, a contraction is a word that is shorter than the original word or words. Let me tell you 5 common examples. I have becomes I've. I've. He is becomes he's. He's. It is becomes it's. It's. They are becomes their. Their. And they have becomes they've. They've. Listen to this example. I have been going to the park a lot because it is where I exercise. Now listen to this example. I've been going to the park a lot because it's where I exercise. Which one do you think sounds more like a native speaker? The second one, right? Because we used 2 contractions. We said I've and we said it's. So when you're speaking English, try and use more contractions. This will make you sound more like a native speaker. But please note that when speaking or writing quite formally, it's better to not use contractions. But in everyday situations, it's fine to use contractions.